Okay, so tanggalin muna natin yung clip. Okay, busin natin yan. Yung nasa ilalim yan, ayun o, yung number 12. Tapos deep socket yung gagamitin, ano, ito to, deep socket na 12. Then isuot natin doon. Ayan o. Smooth eh. Mali yung nakita ko. Ayun, nasa loob. Ayun. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Okay? Bawat pihit nun kalahati ang galaw ng bolt, ano? So merong humps yun eh. So dapat yung yung kalahati nung ano 31, ano? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ayan na. Okay. Tapos may pre-play dapat yan, ano? Alright.